Nakumpira na kayo ng mga magulang nyo sa atin nyo. Sabi sa'yo, dapat gayahin mo ate mo, matalino. Gayahin mo kuya mo, responsable. O tingnan mo yung pinsan mo, ang daming boyfriend, ikaw. Di ba? Yung palaging kinukumpira. Tas ang pinakamalala, sabihin sa'yo ng magulang mo, alam mo anak, nung edad ko, ikaw, ito na mga achievements ko. Ikaw wala pa. Best cleaner ka lang sa school. Yung nakukumpira. Parents, these are toxic words we tell our children. Actually, you are giving poison to your kids when you compare them. Kaya lang, I know you don't mean it. Meron kang gustong sabihin Pero alam nyo, once you compare, ito yung naririnig ng mga anak mo na they are not good. You are no good. You are not enough. If you want me to agree with you, celebrate you, you have to be someone else. My dear parents, can you see the hands of parents? Dali, para alam kong mga kausap ko. Parents, please, you need to love your kids with their personality, their temperament, their unique gifts. Yun ang, mahal kita kasi ganyan ka. Mahal ko rin ang kapatid mo, pero magkakaiba sila. Mahalin mo sila kung sino sila. Sa isang bahay, nasusunog yung bahay. Tapos alam mo yung nanay, sigaw siya dun sa anak niya, "Anak! Takbo! Nasusunog ang bahay!" Alam mo sabi nung anak, "Sandali lang po, magpo-post muna ako na nasusunog ang bahay." Anong gagawin mo? Support. Sige anak, bilisan mo ang pag-post mo. Magko-comment ako. Support. Love them as they are. Iba-iba yung anak mo Iba-ibang craziness, di ba? Yung tatay, saka yung anak na lalaki, nakita nung tatay sa loob ng kusina nila, yung manok niya pumasok. At sabi niya, "Anak, yung manok pumasok sa kusina. Tinutuka yung mga bigas. Paalisin mo." Alam mo sabi nung anak, "Hoy manok, umalis ka dito." Siyempre, hindi umalis. Alam mo sabi nung tatay, "Gulatin mo." Alam mo sabi nung anak, "Bulaga." Hindi pa rin umalis. Sabi nung tatay, "Takutin mo." Alam mo sabi nung bata, "Manok, aswang ako." Yung tatay talaga, bugawin mo. Bugawin mo. Alam mo sabi nung anak, "Boss, chicks, 500 lang. Batang-bata pa." Bugaw Alam mo yung tatay talaga, huliin mo na lang yung manok. Alam mo sabi nung anak, "Manok, pulis ako, taas pakpak." Ano gagawin mo sa ganon? Love them as they are. Diba? May mga anak tayong ganyan na talagang, ano ba? Pare-pareho lang naman pinakain ko sa inyo. Bakit magkaiba kayo? Tama o tama? Diba? Yung bigas na pinakain ko sa inyo, napakamahal. NFA rice. Tapos, bakit kayo love them as they are. Please never compare them with others. Never compare them with others. Yung dalawa kong anak, si Helene, magbe-birthday na yan this week, pero she's just 15 years old. And last Friday, yung quarry start namin, nagninong duties ako. So wala kami. Nasa labas kami. Sabi ko, "Anak, can you do quarry start? Kami lang yung papasok pero you will host." "Sure." Ganun ka, ganun tapang. Kayang-kaya niya. Siya nag-set up lahat. No? Tapos kami lang yung parang guest niya. Siya pa nag-talk. Aba, kumuha ng ukulele, nag-gitara pa, kumanta pa. Alam mo, tingin namin parang kinumbay na Lalaine at Aaron Gogna si Helene. Galing. Galing na galing kami. Sobra. Marami pang kukwento yan. Magugulat kayo. Kahit ninong Bo niya, alam mo sabi ni Bo, "Grabe si Helene. Alam mo na kagad kung anong mangyayari sa kanya. Susurpresahin pa tayo kung anong gagawin ng batang ito." Ganon. Kahit si Bo na. Si Helene will tell you that she gathered her classmates Friday just to have a Bible study. And many attended. Si Bo, when Bo was her age, also gathered for Bible study in his school. Bo Sanchez, no one attended. Kaya si Bo, grabe si Helene. Oh, that's Helene. Si Johan, our 14-year-old son. Ano si Johan? Ay, kahapon, pinanood sa amin sa TV, yung inedit niyang video ng Minecraft. YouTuber yan gamer. Inedit niya. Pero dito kayo magugulat. 5 minutes video. Anong inedit niya? Yung Minecraft. Kung alam niyo yung Minecraft, ha? Sinamarize niya yung talk ko last Sunday sa isang Minecraft video. Yung galing. Kaya ba natin palabas? Hindi, no? Kaya? Kaya? Oh, panoorin lang yung maikli lang, ha? Watch this.
There are two very great things in your life. One is when you were born. That's how all of us came to this world. We were born out of a human. The second thing is when you find out why you were born into this world. That one goes deep, okay? We are all here for a purpose. And for now, my purpose is to get this person out of this game, okay? That is my purpose for... Oh, this is not Bedrock Edition. Try to place a block right in front of me. Hey, get out of here! Hey! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, what are you eating? Are you eating a gobble right now, bro? Yeah, relax, man. Hey! Oh, goodness me. Hey, goodness me! Hey! Hey! Ah! Okay, yes. Whoa, whoa! Oh, okay. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Hey! Get out of here! Hey, 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 hey! Relax, relax! No! As I was saying, another thing that's super cool is life is like a graph. You know those graph things in analytics? Oh my God! I'm trying to make a powerful message here. Relax. You see how there are like high moments, you know? Those are your happy moments in life. But there are also low moments. If you really see it. Oh! If you really think about it. No, no, no! Oh! Even though there are sad moments, if you look at it, you are still moving forward. Just life advice, you know what I'm saying? Everyone starts somewhere with their dreams. And the beginning of my dream is to win this Bedwars game and make a YouTube channel, yes. And be the biggest Minecraft creator in the entire world by making people laugh. That's my goal right now! My goal is to get you out of here, yeah! Alrighty, alrighty. Okay, they're coming, bro, they're coming. They're coming! Where's the fireball? I don't know this game, bro! I haven't played Bedwars in 300 years. Get out of here! Oh, no. Are you serious? I'm terrible at this game. Oh my God! Get out of here! What am I doing? Why are you so laggy? Okay, here's one thing, guys. Imagine life, right? Life is your most prized possession.
Mahirap sa ating mga gurang. Nakakaganon, di ba? Pero pag nakuha mo yung mga sinasabi niya, may lalo na ending. Always watch his ending. Talagang palagi may And you know, the comments of people, siguro his age or a little older, palaging when he makes a video, it's always with a lesson. Makes us laugh. Yung iba, gulat kayo. You made my day. I was about to lose my mind. But after watching a video of yours, kanya-kanyang diskarte. Magkaiba. Pero, they contribute to the world. Kaya please never compare them with others. Tingnan nyo yung katabi nyo. Tingnan nyo lang. Huwag nyo yung i-compare sa'yo. Because this is how God loves you. Maybe people around you look down on you. Maybe people around you don't believe in you. And they can only see your weaknesses. But God does not do that. Pag tinignan ka ni Lord, di niya hinahanap yung mali mo. May mga magulang na ganyan Inaabangan nila yung maling gagawin ng anak. Yung nakita na niya, ayan, tingnan mo, Sabi ko na Diba? May mga magulang na gano'n, binabantayan magkamali yung anak. Si Lord, di gano'n, ha? Hindi siya ganyan na nakaganito, tapos sabihin, oh, kita mo, oh, ayan, sabi ko na eh, kidlatan. Hindi ganyan si Lord. Huh? He never compares you to anyone else. He loves you as you are, and He celebrates you as you are. Actually, He enjoys you, your craziness, your personality, your gifts, and accepts you as you are. The entire mix. The whole package, warts included. You are loved as you are. Hawakan mo yung kamay ng katabi mo, kilala mo naman yan. Pag hindi mo kilala, huwag mo nga hawakan. Yung kilala mo lang. Tapos yanigin mo siya ng konti. Come on, everybody. Tapos tingnan mo siya, sabihin mo sa kanya, you are loved as you are.